They will journey to Jordan and a desert refugee camp that is now home to tens of thousands of Syrians who have escaped terror and war. Led by a Syrian-American pediatric neurologist, Tarif Bakdash, doctors and nurses from Milwaukee will provide care and comfort during a volunteer trip that will be chronicled by the Milwaukee Journal-Sentinel.
I belong to a group called the Syrian-American Medical Society, and our major vision and mission is to help Syrian refugees through their time that they're going through right now. And so my goal is to go with a group of healthcare providers, go down to Jordan and to see if we can help at Al-Zatari camp, which has 85,000 people. I believe truly that all humanity should help each other. So we have to help each other, I think. And it doesn't matter if you're Syrian or whatever you are, but we need to work together. We need to help each other. So I look at it from a point of view, of a humanitarian point of view, and I look at it as Syrian also. My dad is Syrian. So I feel, well, I need to help them in their time of need. And things are getting worse actually over time, especially the medical care. And so I feel, yes, it's my duty actually, it's my job to go and help. Am I doing a lot? Not a lot, definitely compared to other people, I think. I've seen other people doing far more than I'm doing. We lost 700 almost healthcare providers in Syria. They went inside Syria, and some of them died, unfortunately, yeah. But I think it's good for the patients themselves, for the Syrians, to realize that other people really are caring for them, that we traveled all the way just to help, even it's a little bit, actually, not too much. But on top of it, actually, what I'm hoping for is I spread the word. Like when I went last year, I came back and I took pictures, and then I gave lots of talks in the United States about what I saw in the camp and to tell the world about the suffering of the Syrians. And I think this is actually the calling. The calling is to spread the word. I think what I'm hoping for is that by doing what we're doing, is you can shed the light on, get the people involved, get the citizens of the United States involved, get them to realize that the suffering is not only Syrian, this is the suffering of humanity, and it reflects on us also as a nation. We cannot sit still and watch from a distance and say, well, you know what, who cares? I'm in the United States, I'm doing fine, I have my life. You feel bad on TV, right? You watch it for a few minutes and then, oh, I'm sorry that this is happening. Well, it's affecting all of us, and it's going to affect all of us. And until we feel that we are one united kind of humanity, we're not going to do anything well in life, and we need to work on these things. The truth, I think, about the Syrian people is that they're really suffering. We have millions of children suffering, by the way. We have 5.5 million kids affected by the war until now. We have 12 million people almost displaced from their homes. I mean, can you imagine that? It's like almost more than New York City, actually. People displaced completely out of their homes. They have nothing. And we're sitting here, in Russia or United States or Saudi Arabia or whatever, and these politicians making decisions about the war and keeping this war going on when we could do something about it. So that's where I think our job is, to bring the truth, show the truth, so at least we can maybe help the war from keep going on and prevent other wars, hopefully in the future, from happening.